Next one, abiotic components. The abiotic components included non-living things. Then we will study what are the abiotic components, in which abiotic components, which factors may be included. Actually, we will study the in abiotic components or ecological components. The first one is the edaphic factors. The edaphic factors, that is the soil factors. To study of a soil science is called as a pedology. edaphic फॅक्टर पहिला आपण कुठला बघायचा आहे तर सॉईल. हा सॉईल हे कुठल्या ब्रँचमध्ये स्टडी केलं जातं. द सॉईल मे बी स्टडीड इन अ सायन्स, branch of a science which called as a pedology. Soil is one of the most important edaphic factor, and ecology is the natural habitat for the plants and animal as well as microbes. The soil is the outermost layer of earth crust. It support to the vegetation and supply them some minerals and water, and also gives the shelter to the living organism. The soil is defined as a weathered surface of earth crust which mixed with the organic material in which microorganism lives as well as plant may be well grows. The soil is the composed of different components. Which components? They may be composed inorganic material, organic matters, that is the humus, the soil water, soil air, soil fauna, and soil flora. The composition of the soil, because the soil is a complex one. In that complex substance or in particles, the soil having solid, liquid, or gaseous components with their own physico-chemical properties and definite relationship with others. The important edaphic factors are minerals and soil texture, soil water, soil air, and soil temperature. These are the main important edaphic factors of that is the non-biotic, non-living factors of the environment. The first one, mineral and soil texture. The weathering of the rocks from the different sized soil particles such as sand, slate, clay. These particles shows the different size and proportions in the soil. Soil स्ट्रक्चर म्हणजे काय ॲक्च्युली आपल्याला बघायला पाहिजे. सॉईल कशानं बनलेलं आहे तर दगडाचं हळूहळू काय होतं क्रश होतो, हळूहळू त्याचे पार्टिकल्स तयार होतात. कुठले कुठले पार्टिकल्स दे मे बी कन्वर्टेड इंटू सँड, स्लीट और सिल्ट और clay. These particles shows the different size and proportion in the soil. The Environmental Society of Soil Science has given diameter of the soil particles and gives the name as different. The some sized particles known as gravel, which having the size about 2 millimeter in diameter. Some particles are known as a coarse particle. These particles having the 2 to 0.2 millimeter in their size. The fine sand particles, they shows the 0.2 to 0.02 millimeter diameter. Silt particles having the size 0.02 to point not 2 millimeter, and below this not 2 millimeter, the where is